Hello, safety officers. Today I'm diving into a crucial topic that keeps our workplaces safe and efficient. Simultaneous operations, or SimOps. SimOps involve performing multiple operations at the same site simultaneously. This could be anything from construction work right next to ongoing maintenance activities. Sounds tricky, right? Well, that's because it is, but with the right strategies, we can master it. Firstly, communication is key. Every team involved must be on the same page. Miscommunication can lead to accidents, so regular briefings and clear, concise communication channels are a must. Next, let's talk about coordination. This involves meticulous planning. Ensure that every operation has a detailed schedule that is visible and understood by all teams. This way, we avoid any overlaps that could lead to hazards. Risk assessment is another pillar of SimOps. Before any operation begins, identifying potential risks and how these overlap with other activities is crucial. This allows us to mitigate risks before they become real issues. Lastly, constant vigilance is essential. On-site supervisors should be eagle-eyed, always on the lookout for any signs of trouble. It's not just about preventing accidents, but also about quickly responding to any that occur. Implementing these strategies will not only ensure a safer workplace, but also boost efficiency as well-managed SimOps, reduce downtime and resource waste. Remember, the goal of SimOps isn't just to get the job done, it's to get it done safely without compromising on the safety of any operation. With careful planning, robust communication, and diligent oversight, we can achieve just that. Stay safe out there, and let's continue to uphold the highest safety standards in all our operations. Thank you for your dedication to safety, and remember, it's all about teamwork. Together we can master SimOps.